just take your hands off and it stops.
Okay. Billy, I'm going to kill you.
Yeah, you could get off
If I
there.
see this on Facebook, you are fucking dead.
See, that's what I do. I put my foot down. Just let go of the handle with your hand.
All clear.
The new season
going
of
to
Duck
high
Dynasty
gear.
now begins.
Billy, stop.
You let go of the handle.
Where's Jimmy Boy now?
I'm doing wheelies.
You killed somebody. There's a bone. You're going 15 miles and you're going 25. You're going to stop there.
I'm going to count him. I'm going full speed ahead.
Go for it.
No, he is.
I'm out of breath.
He's going to roll.
We need this for funniest video. $10,000. We'll split it with you.
Stay off my house. I'm buy out sis.
Oh, it's backing up.
Oh, is there a backup?
Yeah.
To the right.
Oh, no.
Beep, beep, beep. Going into the house. Going into the car. Okay, it's your car. That's okay.
3-point turn.
Look, close to the curb. You won't get it.
Wave high.
And cut.